in Him is to darkness alone. Now, what are the three words that are actually common in these three books, in these three narratives? The first is in the beginning, the second is there was light, and also at the other end, there is also darkness. Now, one of the things that made 1 John so famous among God's people today is in 1 John 4:8, where the Bible said that God is love. But one of the things, one of the attributes of God is He is also called as the what? He is also called as the light. Okay? So in verse 6 it says, if we say that we have fellowship with Him and walk in darkness, we lie and do not practice the truth. Now, let's go to the book of Revelation, chapter 12, verses 7 and 13. I would like to bring your minds to the very reason gano'n dapat ipakita karon ng tahayan. Kaya sometimes, sabi, mag-gusto mo ito, mabuta lang,